For those who are just taking to the skies for the first time, choosing the right aircraft can be challenging. However, safety should always be the #1 concern for any pilot considering aircraft training options. Young pilots should also prioritize maneuverability, excellent handling, and smooth takeoffs and landings. Whether you're looking to fly for fun or aiming for a career in aviation, the choice of training aircraft will greatly impact your learning experience and skill development as a pilot. That's why most flight schools go for small, piston-powered planes that are stable and relatively easy to handle. There are plenty of aircraft to choose from, but among the many aircraft available, these planes are considered to be the easiest for learning how to fly. Cessna 172 Skyhawk. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk model holds the title of being the top flight trainer worldwide, and with a staggering distribution of over 43,500 aircraft, it stands as the most popular single-engine plane ever manufactured. The Skyhawk provides an intuitive yet sophisticated cockpit experience, making it the ideal platform for acquiring the necessary skills to become a proficient pilot. The C-172 boasts numerous appealing features for aspiring aviators, including impressive acceleration, excellent visibility, and a low landing speed. Its advanced interior offers added soundproofing, and it is equipped with LED lights for night training. Additionally, it can be equipped with an optional digital autopilot and is outfitted with electronic stability and protection and speed protection systems. With a maximum capacity of 4 individuals in a crew training configuration, the Cessna 172 can reach a cruise speed of 125 miles per hour and cover a range of 675 miles. Due to its wide range of capabilities, this aircraft is commonly found in flight schools. While many Cessna aircraft are equipped with older avionics, learning to use these instruments promotes mastery of the basic 6-pack instrument panel, providing crucial foundational knowledge for advancing in a piloting career. Piper J-3 Cub. This legendary aircraft provided flight training to World War II pilots and holds the distinction of being the first American plane shot down during World War II. Just moments before the devastating attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941, a student pilot was on a solo flight through KT flying service, piloting a Piper Cub J-3 over Oahu's valley. As Japanese planes emerged over the island, his aircraft was shot down, but he managed to safely bail out and parachute to the ground. This American light aircraft was built between 1938 and 1947 by Piper Aircraft. Its simplistic and lightweight design grants it excellent maneuverability at low speeds and short takeoff and landing capabilities. Originally intended as a trainer, the Cub gained immense popularity in both military and general aviation roles. Its performance also made it suitable for various military uses, such as reconnaissance, liaison, and ground control, and it was produced in large numbers during World War II as the L-4 Grasshopper. With close to 20,000 units manufactured in the United States, the Cub stands as Piper Aircraft's most prolific model, many of which are still flying today and are highly prized as bush aircraft. Its simplicity, affordability, and popularity have led to comparisons with the Ford Model T automobile. The Cub features a high-wing, strut-braced monoplane design with a large rectangular wing. It is typically powered by an air-cooled, flat, 4-piston engine driving a fixed-pitch propeller. The fuselage is a welded steel frame covered in fabric with tandem seating for 2. These characteristics make it an iconic trainer, revered among aviators for being inexpensive and easy to fly. The Cub's lightweight design gives it good short-field performance and low-speed handling capabilities, making it ideal for student pilots. Although most pilots today learn on tricycle landing gear, training on a tailwheel like the Piper Cub requires constant pilot input and turn coordination, producing more skilled and well-rounded pilots. Cirrus SR-22. Nicknamed the plane with the parachute due to its whole-plane emergency recovery parachute system, This system allows the entire aircraft to be safely lowered to the ground in case of an emergency. This single-engine, 4- or 5-seat composite aircraft has been built by Cirrus Aircraft in Minnesota since 2001. It was developed from the Cirrus SR-20, but with improvements such as a larger wing, increased fuel capacity, and a more powerful engine. It is popular with many flight schools and is also used by private individuals and companies. It was one of the first aircraft to introduce advanced technology avionics, revolutionizing in-flight instructor training and enhancing student awareness. In September 2019, Cirrus introduced the TRAS, a training-focused version of the SR series. The TRAS features a simplified interior, sturdier seat material, a backseat radio transmit switch for communication with air traffic control, integrated engine indication and crew alerting, warning systems, and simulated retractable landing gear controls and position lights. These additions allow cadets and instructors to practice landing gear operation and respond to failures during instructional flights. By combining cutting-edge systems and user-friendly features, the Cirrus SR-22 and its training-oriented counterpart offer an optimized training experience while prioritizing safety and efficiency. American champion Citabria. The Citabria continues to be a popular choice as a training aircraft due to its conventional gear and aerobatic capabilities. Originally designed for flight training, personal use and utility, the Citabria was the only airplane in the United States certified for aerobatics when it was first introduced, capable of sustaining aerobatic stresses from +5 Gs to -2 Gs. Like the J3 Cub, the Citabria is a single-engine, tailwheel aircraft with short-field landing capabilities, making it excellent for teaching stick and rudder skills to pilots in training. It is inexpensive and offers stable air and ground handling, making it an ideal aircraft for student pilots with low hours. It has also been used in utility roles as a bush plane, thanks to its short takeoff and landing ability, and in agriculture, pipeline patrol, and as a glider tow plane. Although variants of the design and other aircraft better suited to specific utility roles have largely replaced the Citabria in those areas, it remains popular as a trainer, glider tow plane, and for personal use. Pilatus PC-7. Since the improved model of the aircraft, the PC-7 Mk2M was developed in the 1990s by combining the newer airframe and avionics from the PC-9 with the PC-7's smaller turbine engine. It has set an exceptional standard for equipment, performance, and cost-effectiveness in its class. This turbo trainer, a low-wing tandem-seat training aircraft designed and manufactured in Switzerland by Pilatus Aircraft, is capable of all basic training functions, including aerobatics, instrument flying, tactical maneuvers, and night flying. Because of its versatility and reliability, it has been adopted by over 20 air forces as their primary trainer aircraft, as well as numerous civilian operators. Although primarily used for training purposes, some of these aircraft are equipped with weapons and have been utilized in combat missions by certain customers, such as Chad, Iran, and Mexico. These actions have often violated the export agreements between the customers and the Swiss government. Nevertheless, it remains a dependable and economical platform for training inexperienced pilots. Its gentle handling characteristics instill confidence in beginners and provide a conducive environment for learning. Its highly cost-efficient engine delivers the lowest operating costs of all turboprop trainer aircraft. The shared airframe and avionics systems with the PC-9M allow owners and operators to benefit from a combined support infrastructure established by Pilatus for both aircraft types. Piper Arrow. The Arrow is an excellent choice for pilots with limited experience in complex aircraft or those who do not fly frequently. Designed as an easy transition from a trainer to a single-engine aircraft with retractable landing gear and a controllable pitch propeller, the Arrow offers a straightforward flying experience. It maintains the same predictable handling as the Cherokee line, familiar to many pilots, but with the added benefits of retractable gear, making it slightly faster and more appealing. The Arrow provides just enough power to keep flights engaging without overwhelming the pilot, striking the perfect balance between performance and safety. Its combination of durability, reliability, comfort, and advanced technology makes it an ideal training platform. Students, instructors, and passengers alike appreciate its comfortable interior. As a high-performance transition trainer, the Arrow is a proven safe platform, enhanced by onboard weather, traffic, and terrain systems that greatly increase situational awareness. Diamond DA-42 Twin Star. The Diamond DA-42 Twin Star is a 4-seat twin-engine, propeller-driven airplane developed and manufactured in Austria and Canada by Diamond Aircraft Industries, specifically designed for pilot training. It is easy to fly and consumes fuel like a single-engine aircraft, yet offers the added safety of a second engine. This enhances handling, stability, control, ease of operation, and incorporates structural, system, and propulsion redundancies, along with a high degree of crashworthiness. The Twin Star provides a training experience similar to that of jet aircraft, and is highly regarded for its high performance, exceptional passive safety, excellent fuel economy, and modern technological advancements. The flight controls are proportionally responsive, allowing for precise maneuvers even at low speeds. Each pilot has their own fighter-style central stick, attached to an unobstructed cockpit floor, thus providing a good training configuration. Its stall characteristics are notably benign, and that's why it's being described by Flight International as probably the most docile of any aircraft. Additionally, this aircraft burns an impressive 16 gallons per hour at maximum power, making it an economical choice for pilot training. Cessna 152. Designed with training purposes in mind, the Cessna 152 has been a staple in flight training for decades. This American two-seat, fixed tricycle gear aircraft is based on the earlier Cessna 150, featuring several minor design improvements and a slightly more powerful engine with a longer time between overhauls. While optional dual controls are available for the Cessna 152, nearly all improved 152s are equipped with this feature to enhance training practices. Despite being out of production for almost 4 decades, many of these aircraft remain airworthy and are frequently used for flight instruction due to their cost-effectiveness and reliable Lycoming engine, which can withstand the continuous stress of training. Its versatility and forgiving nature make it an excellent choice for student pilots, as it is small and easy to maneuver, along with a smaller instrument panel, which is ideal for training purposes. This aircraft allows student pilots to learn manual flying techniques and develop essential stick and rudder skills. Diamond DA-40 Diamond Star. The Diamond Star is a seriously cool aircraft that every aviator who loves technology should have on their radar. It is a modern 4-seat, light, single-engine aircraft built in both Canada and Austria by Diamond Aircraft Industries. It is used by over 10 countries as a military trainer, with the USA acquiring 20 units in 2009 for the 557th Flying Training Squadron at the United States Air Force Academy. It stands out from its competitors with notable features such as fuel efficiency, high airspeed, lower stall speeds, and all-electric instruments. Diamond Aircraft Industries emphasizes safety, and with good reason. Diamond boasts the best safety record of any aircraft in the air today, making it an optimal choice for training pilots. Its superb visibility, extremely forgiving handling, and autopilot capabilities make this aircraft an ideal primary training aircraft. Piper PA-28 Cherokee. The PA-28 Cherokee has been flying for almost a century now, and it's one of the go-to aircraft for flight training these days. It's a versatile little plane that can be used for all sorts of things. You'll still find it buzzing around as an air taxi, and plenty of folks use it for their personal flights too. Designed to serve various roles, it is used for air taxi services and personal flights. Flight schools consistently praise the PA-28 for its forgiving nature regarding pilot errors during taxi. takeoff, landing, and while airborne. Its flight controls are notably less sensitive, allowing the aircraft to maintain altitude easily without constant elevator trimming. It also features advanced suspension, which cushions landings, especially useful for young pilots in training who may land more sharply. Additionally, the aircraft is extremely durable and capable of withstanding multiple daily landings that may not be as gentle on the landing gear as one would ideally hope. The PA-28 Cherokee is a real workhorse. It's been around for ages and it's still going strong. Flight schools and pilots alike can vouch for its reliability and versatility.